Hello friends, I am again back with my series wherein I do the analysis of all India installed capacity of power station in India, and today I am going to talk about June 2021, and I will compare the same with May 2021 of India installed capacity. Again, I am going to repeat that I usually repeat. All these data are available on public domain on the sites of CA, and we have to understand, it is pertinent to understand the importance of total installed capacity in India. And to start with, you look at the region. There are basically 5 regions: northern, western, southern, eastern and northeastern regions, and some islands are there. And if you look at the total breakup, mode wise breakup, they are thermal, nuclear, hydro, renewable energy sources. And within the thermal, again, they are coal, lignite, gas, diesels. Now coming to the total installed capacity. In this month, the total installed capacity is 384,115.9, 3.84 lakh megawatt. All figures are in megawatt, and out of that, the coal is 2,02,000, lignite 6.6, gas 24,000.9, diesel 509, nuclear 6870, and hydro is 46.32 thousand. And renewable energy resources contribute 96,955.5. Now coming to the total percentage of various sources to total installed capacity, the percentage of thermal to that of total installed capacity is 60.93, whereas for nuclear it is 1.7, for hydro it is 12.05, and for renewable it is 25.24, and the same is depicted by this picture pie chart. Now what is the contribution of various sources of thermal? The coal contribute 86.3%, lignite 2.8, gas is 10.64, whereas the diesel is 0.2178 within the thermal. And this is the pie chart wherein the contribution within the thermal sources is depicted by that picture. Now contribution of various sources of renewable. When I say renewable, it has 4 sub component: hydro, wind, biopower and solar. And the component small hydro have 4.944% contribution, whereas the wind is 40.72% and biopower 10.66% and solar is 43.66. And this is the pie chart which depict the percentage of various sources of renewable. Now time to compare with the last month, and in this figure in this table, in fact, I am going to compare it with May 2021. In northern region there is a percentage change of 0.67, for western 0.37, for southern 0.13, eastern minus 1.63. For northeastern region there is no change, for island no change, and total change is 0.19%. This is a comparison between May 21 and June 21 of various sources to the total installed capacity. If you look at the thermal, it has reduced by 0.29%, whereas the total installed capacity of nuclear is same. For hydro it has increased by 0.01%, and renewable have increased by 0.29%. This is about comparison of various renewable resources. Hydro, if you look at the hydro, it has reduced by 0.00059, whereas for wind it has reduced by 0.008322, and for biopower it has again reduced by 0.05212, and for solar it has increased by 0.304%. and contribution of various sources to renewable. If you compare with the May, there is a minus change, that is very slight change for small hydro, wind, biopower and solar, that is 0.05%, 0.5%, minus 0.1448, 0.711 respectively. This was all about the comparison and knowledge and information about total installed capacity for India for month of June, and we have compared with May 2021. I hope you will like it and you keep on watching all these things. Thank you very much. Thank you everyone.